Sunday afternoon. We always get together and have a couple of pizzas and a stew. Sun's just going down. We're just about ready. Put some pizzas in there and I'm going to check the stew. Righto, we'll check the stew. Oh, beautiful. It's the beef stew. Tastes beautiful. That's nearly ready. Alright, so I'll get the fire up and going again. I'm about to throw some pizzas in. Just give it a quick sweep out. I've got a pizza here with a bit of everything, nicely olive oiled underneath to just throw in there. I've got another pizza I'm just going to throw in there. I can move them around, do whatever I want with them. I'll just move that to the side. Better. Watch them cook, they'll take about 5 or 6 minutes. As you can see, they're puffing up nicely. Both of them. It's only been about 2 minutes, I'd say, probably 3. But it won't take long at all. These to cook. Looking nice, starting to brown up. Bit of a pop. Try and do this with the camera and with the phone and this. Once they start to brown up or char up a bit, I'll just push them in the corner, away from the intense heat. And just let them bake over there for a little bit. And with that, you can see it won't take long. They're just about done. Probably 5-6 minutes of pizza, or per time when you put them in. And that's, I would say it'd be 5 minutes now, but I just like to leave them in a little bit longer, so I know they're fully cooked through. Righto, this one's about done. As you can see, looks perfect. Let's just have a look underneath him. Perfect. And that one will be just as the same. I'll pull him out. Whoop. Always use plenty of olive oil. That's perfect. Beautiful. Right, now we're going to eat them. Right, you ready for the pizza?
Yay!
Here we go. Plenty of olive oil. Do the big cut. Enough pieces for hungry kids. And Taylor, you're a fruiter. There you go.